Good morning. So today I will be showing you my Padlet I made for ELRC 3500. First, we're going to look at title slide number 1. This is a photo of me for the class that I'm doing this project for. The second one is a little biography about me you can open up. We utilized a name tint for objective number 3, so we'd be able to learn all of our classmates' names and become familiar with everyone, and it was a great way to get to make new friends. At number 4, we have my inspiration map. It's a little goal bubble document. It was very fun to make. And then Symbolo Indigo is our number 5 objective. I used bookmarking sites to make my navigation online easier. It separated a bunch of different bookmarks into one area where you can easily locate it. Number 6, we used Publisher, and it was a great source to easily make brochures and informative brochures to show people what you're interested in or try to convince them to go somewhere. In this case, I shared about top 10 interesting facts about Bali. And then number 7, I used Canva. It was a great graphic design where you can make designs and a website. It was super fun to use. And then I did an LSU PowerPoint of thematic pictures with LSU and went around campus finding the prettiest pictures. For Keynote, this was my first time using Keynote rather than PowerPoint or Google Slides, and I did it with a partner, Carrie Vincent, and we used Keynote to make a little PowerPoint where we used different features and graphics, and it was a lot of fun to use. Blogger, this is my blog that I made, talking about virtual reality versus augmented reality, top 10 things to do in Vegas, and a bunch of other fun stuff. And number 11 was my movie with my 2 classmates, Neil and Emily. We took a tour of the new facility, LSU football operations, and made a YouTube video describing our experience. And then number 12, I made a Google site all about me with my resume, hobbies and interests, etc. It's a lot of fun to have all my information on one thing. Number 13, the class Facebook page. Unfortunately, I don't have Facebook, so my friends had to help me utilize that platform, but it was a great way to keep everyone connected. Final presentation was how to decorate for Christmas. It was a how-to video. I used a PowerPoint and I made my own home video, which was super helpful for everyone that was watching. Number 15 was the Padlet that I'm currently showing you now. Makes it easy to link and show multiple documents or websites on one easy web page. And then I'm currently using Castomatic to show you my Padlet, recording myself and my screen at the same time. I've really enjoyed learning about the programs that I've never used before and how I can incorporate them into my future profession and my life. Next, I'll be graduating in May and attending 2 years of graduate school for speech-language pathology. It was so great this semester. Thank you so much.